Hello students, I welcome you all to this chapter of your science, chapter number 8, our skeleton and skin. Okay, students, before I start this chapter, I want to give you one small example in the form of a story. Okay, students, you all know about mobile phones. All our mobile phones will have a cover. Okay, whenever we get a mobile or whenever we get a television from the shop, it comes in a box. Now tell me, why does it come in a box? We get vegetables from the market. Vegetables don't come in a box. Why does a mobile and a laptop or a television, it comes in a box? It comes in a carton. Because these are very delicate objects and they are very important objects. जो मोबाइल है, लैपटॉप है, टीवी है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं और बहुत नाजुक है. So if we don't protect it, it will break down. Similarly, the human body has got many different parts. हमारे बॉडी में अंदर बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं ऑर्गन्स. एंड दीज ऑर्गन्स आर वेरी डेलिकेट एंड दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड देयरफॉर दे ऑल्सो नीड अ प्रोटेक्शन. दे ऑल्सो नीड समथिंग लाइक अ बॉक्स which gives a hard protection. And these bones, जिसे हम हड्डियां कहते हैं, these hard parts, hard structures which give protection to the human body, they are called as skeleton. Okay, anywhere in your body, students, feel it. Okay, you're feeling hard, that is bone. Wherever you are feeling hard right now, okay, touch your body. You're feeling hard here, it's bone. You're feeling hard here, it's bone. You're feeling hard here, bone. On your legs, you're feeling hard, it's bone. And all these bones, these hard structures, they are like the boxes which are protecting our body organs. Okay? And all the bones in our body, you see, there are many places there are bones. All the bones together, it is called as skeleton. Okay, all bones coming together. But from outside you cannot see bones. आप बाहर से bones को देख नहीं सकते. तो बाहर से protection कौन देता है हमारे body को? हमें हम सब के body में हमें बाहर क्या दिखता है? This light brown color. Some people have very light brown color. Some people have dark brown color. What is this? This outer covering is the skin. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to study about the skeleton and the skin. Both these parts are giving protection to us. So let us study about skeleton and skin in detail. Before we go into the details of skeleton and skin, I would first like to share with you, I would first like to tell you about the human body in short. Students, any human body in a very simple way is made up of 3 parts. Okay, जो हमारा इतना बड़ा बॉडी दिख रहा है, ये हमारा बॉडी को हम 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. Okay, so remember this. The 3 parts of the human body are: the first one is this. This is called as head and face. It's called as a first part. The second body part, which is the biggest, starts from here and goes up till down till our waist, where we wear our belts, okay, or from where we wear our pants, okay. This part is called as trunk. Okay, I can show you this picture. The part from ear till ear is called as trunk, and apart from this, what is left is the hands and the legs. Hands and legs are together called as limbs. These are the three parts of the human body. Students, look at the chart, pause your screens and remember this. Okay? Now, I would like to share with you, every part has some important organs. Like in the head, we have got a very important organ which is called as brain. So understand, just how I told you some time back that mobile is important and delicate and therefore has a cover. In the same way, brain is very important organ and therefore brain needs a cover. I try to show you. This is the brain, and with the help of this bone, the brain is covered and it is protected. In the trunk, which is this part, there are important organs. Okay, now this is the inside. Okay, if you cut the human body like this, you see the internal organs, you see the inside organs. In the trunk, you have important organs like lungs, with the help of which we breathe. Okay, then we've got the heart here, okay, between the lungs, if you can see well. Then below is the stomach. Further below these are the intestines. Okay, so the important organs in the trunk are heart, lungs. And if you see, heart and lungs are located in the upper part of the trunk, over here. This is called as the upper part of the trunk. This part is called as chest. Okay, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं छाती. Okay, and the lower part of the trunk, where you have stomach, you have liver, you have intestines, जहाँ पे हमारा खाना जाता है, from where our food goes. Okay, when we eat food, it goes from the mouth and it comes here into stomach and it goes into intestines. Okay, so stomach and intestines, and this lower part of the trunk, ये जो trunk का जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है, इसे हम कहते हैं abdomen. क्या कहते हैं? abdomen, जिसे हम आम आदमी की लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं पेट. ओके, सो रिमेंबर, trunk is divided into two parts. Upper trunk, जो trunk का ऊपरी हिस्सा है, उसे हम कहते हैं chest, and lower trunk, जो नीचा वाला हिस्सा है, उसे हम कहते हैं abdomen. And because lungs and heart are important organs, here also there are bones which protect us. And then we go on to hands and legs, which are the limbs. Okay, so these are the bones of the hand. Okay, this part is the shoulder part. Okay, and these are the bones of the hand, and these are the bones of the legs, going down like this up till here. Okay, now This is the general overall understanding of the human body, the three parts and the important organs in them. Now let us try and study these bones in our body in a little more detail. So students, you know there are many bones in our body. There is not just one bone. एक bone नहीं होता, हमारे शरीर में बहुत सारी हड्डियां होती हैं. And all these bones together, it forms what is called as the skeleton. So the entire group is called as skeleton. Now let us try to study this skeleton, जिसमें बहुत सारे bones हैं. इसको हम further study करते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लोकेशन. मतलब हमारे बॉडी में कौन से बोन्स किधर लोकेटेड है. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन लोकेशन some bones are located in the center of our body, exactly in the center. Follow my actions. The bones which are located in the center, okay, these bones come under axial skeleton. And those bones which don't come in the center, जो bones हमारे बॉडी के सेंटर में नहीं आते, साइड में आते हैं, which come on the sides, these bones are called as appendicular. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स कैसे बोलेंगे? appendicular. Okay, appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, abhi you know that skeleton is not one bone, it's a group of bones. So now let us look at which bones come under axial skeleton and which come under appendicular skeleton. We have this picture. Let us first look at the right side of the picture. The bones which come on the axial skeleton. Students, the axial, जैसे ही मैं axial बोलता हूँ, axial का मतलब है center. Okay, so these bones which come in axial skeleton are shaded in brown color. You can see skull, and then vertically down you see this bone. This is called as backbone. This bone is called as rib cage. Okay, so these are called as the bones of the axial skeleton. So which are the bones of the axial skeleton? The first one is skull. The second one is the rib cage. Have you seen a parrot in a cage? How does that cage look? वो जो पिंजरा होता है वो कैसा दिखता है? वैसा ही दिखता है. Okay, this is called as rib cage. And the third one, can you see this long bone coming from here and going till here? This is called as backbone or vertebral column. Students, not easy. Please pronounce with me again. Vertebral B-R-A-L bral column. Okay, pause your screens, go back and repeat again with me. It's a difficult word. So these are the bones of the axial skeleton, and Now we come to the bones of the appendicular skeleton. You see, the bones of the appendicular skeleton are shaded in brown. But what is very important, please observe, these bones are not located in the center. ये center में नहीं है, side में है. Okay, hand के bones देखो. Look at the hand bones. Look at the leg bones. So these are bones of hands and bones of legs. Okay, so they are called as hand bones and leg bones. Isn't it so simple? Now let us just try to study these bones, the bones of the axial skeleton, in a little more detail. Okay, for the 6th standard, the bones of appendicular skeleton are hand bones and leg bones. You don't have to study them in more detail. But axial skeleton के जो bones हैं, skull, rib cage, backbone or vertebral column, we need to study these in a little more detail. So let us start. Axial skeleton, the first bone was there is the skull. Okay, so skull. The skull bone is a very strong bone. Okay, कोई आपको इतना कितना भी मारता है, क्या आपको लगता है? लगता है, लेकिन क्या आपका ब्रेन डैमेज होता है? नहीं होता है, because the skull bone is a very strong bone. Point number 1, it's a strong bone. Point number 2, this bone is made up of, the skull bone is made up of 22 bone pieces. ये हमें बाहर से सिंगल दिख रहा है, पर ये एक्चुअल में 22 bone pieces से बना है. It is made up of 22 bones. Students, remember, very important. Out of these 22 bones, 8 bones are the bones of the head. Okay? And 14 bones are the bones of the face. And out of all these 22 bones, see, the aim of these bones is to protect you. And therefore these bones do not move. ये bone हिल नहीं सकते. आप अपने skull को fold कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते. Out of these 22 bones of the skull, the only bone which can move, which is movable, is this bone. This one. This is called as the bone of the lower jaw. Okay, because there is also an upper jaw, and therefore this is called as lower jaw. Lower क्योंकि नीचे है. This is the only bone which is movable in the skull. पूरे 22 बोन में, स्कल के 22 बोन में, 22 बोन्स में, only one bone is movable. The second bone is the bone of the rib cage. The second bone in the axial skeleton, meaning located in the center. Now, why is it called as rib cage? Students, आपको ये तो समझ में आया that it looks like a cage. पिंजरे जैसा दिखता है. It looks like a cage and therefore it's called as a cage. It kind of covers our chest. Okay, so that the lungs and the heart are protected inside. But one rib cage is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ribs. 12 ribs on this side and 12 ribs on this side. ओके तो ये जो बोन्स है जिसे हम हिंदी में पसलियां कहते हैं. ओके, यू कैन आस्क योर पेरेंट्स अबाउट इट. ओके, इसलिए आपने हिंदी मूवी में वो डायलॉग सुना है, मैं तेरी हड्डी पसली एक कर दूंगा. ओके, पसली माने द बोन्स ऑफ द चेस्ट, मीनिंग द रिब्स. तो पसली माने रिब्स. सो ऑल द रिब्स टुगेदर फॉर्म अ केज एंड देयरफॉर it is called as a rib cage. Okay, rib cage is made up of how many bones? 12 pairs of bones. And these 12 pairs of bones are called as ribs. But students, please wait. These are ribs. These are ribs. But do you see this one bone in the center? जो tie जैसा दिखता है. Okay? If you see, all the rib bones are getting attached over here. This bone, which is located in the center of the chest, this bone is called as, this bone located in the center of the chest is called as sternum. sternum. Repeat with me, sternum. There is a spelling for you. Okay, now just one point, because it is there in the picture. Okay, ये जो rib के जो bones है, ये sternum से directly attached नहीं है. ये blue color के आपको structures दिख रहे हैं, वो rib को sternum से connect करते हैं. They are like hooks. Okay, and these are called as cartilage. But you don't have it so in detail in your portion, so you can forget it. But because you are seeing in the picture, I am trying to tell you. Okay, now we go on to the third type of bones which are present in the axial skeleton. The third type of bones present in the axial skeleton are the bones of the vertebral column. Vertebral column. Okay, माने backbone. Simple words. Backbone. Now what does the backbone do? It protects our back. Okay, you see, this is the backbone. This is the back view. If I am standing like this, if I am standing like this in this position, okay, then my backbone looks like this. So this is called as a side view and this is called as a rear view. Rear view माने back view. If you see closely, if you zoom into this picture, you see that the backbone is not one single piece of bone. It is made up of many small bones. Okay, you can see this is one bone. You can see this is second bone. You can see this is third bone, fourth bone, fifth bone. Okay, so it is made up of small bones which have no proper shape. Okay, हैव यू ड्रिवन अ साइकिल? आपने साइकिल चलाया कभी? ओके, साइकिल का पेडल कैसा होता है? वो पेडल शेप्ड का ये बोन है. ओके, स्मॉल बोन्स विच आर पेडल शेप्ड, and these small bones are called as vertebrae. What I call as vertebrae. Okay, please repeat with me. Vertebrae. So there are so many small bones. Together they become and they form 33 bones. There are 33 such vertebrae which makes our backbone. Students, you know, when you play carom, sometimes we have a habit of putting one coin over the other. हम एक कॉइन के ऊपर दूसरा कॉइन रखते हैं, दूसरे के ऊपर तीसरा कॉइन रखते हैं, ऐसे पूरा हम एक ऐसा बड़ा सा एक हीप बनाते हैं. ओके, एक बड़ा सा पिलर जैसा बनाते हैं, एंड देन वी लाइक टू ब्रेक इट. ओके, तो कैसा एक पिलर बनता है, उस तरह से 33 बोन्स एक के ऊपर एक पूरा पिलर बनता है, और ये पिलर को हम कहते हैं बैकबोन. व्हाट डज द बैकबोन डू? स्टूडेंट्स, when our brain is located here, you know that, okay, our brain ends over here, and where the brain ends, there is a very delicate organ which starts from here and it comes down till here. It's a very delicate organ. This organ is called as spinal cord. Okay, and who protects the spinal cord? It is this backbone which does the work of protecting the spinal cord. So what is the function of vertebral column or the backbone? Protection of spinal cord. In this example, the spinal cord is a mobile or it is a television, and therefore it needs covering or protection, and the name of the protection is vertebral column or the backbone. Students, on that note, we are done with all the bones of the axial skeleton: the skull, the rib cage with the sternum, and the vertebral column. That finishes off the axial skeleton. As you see here, under appendicular skeleton, we've got bones of hands and legs. Okay, together they are called as limbs. Okay, one hand is made up of 30 bones, and one leg is made up of one leg is made up of one leg is made up of 30 bones. Okay, so two legs are made up of 60 bones, and one hand is made up of 30 bones, so two hands are made up of 60 bones. So कुल मिला के हमारे hands और legs के bones मिल के बनते हैं 120. Okay, each is 30, so 60, and again each leg is 30, so 60, and therefore you get 120 bones. Apart from this, students, I want to just give you information about two bones in our body for general knowledge. Okay, students, when you grow up, you will study a lot of bones in detail. Okay, you will learn that an adult human being, मतलब जो इंसान 18 साल 18 years से बड़ा हो जाता है, he has got 206 bones in his or her body. Okay, out of which the biggest bone of the human body, you will say out of these 206 bones, which is the biggest bone? The answer is this bone. It is a bone of the thigh. Okay, जो हमारा thigh होता है. Okay, this bone also called as femur. So remember, femur is the biggest bone of our body. Femur. And the smallest bone of our body, you will be surprised where it is located. It is located in the ear. The smallest bone in the body is called as stapes. Stapes. Okay? Smallest bone. This bone is also called as stirrup. What is it called as? Stirrup. Okay? So याद रखेंगे. Okay? Go and tell your parents. You know which is the biggest bone in your body? Femur. 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 Okay? And go and tell your friends. You know where is the smallest bone in your body? It is in the ears. Okay? And the name of this bone is stapes. The name of this bone is stapes or stirrup. Now, with that we are done with the study of bones. Now, as you see that there are so many bones from which our body is made up of. Okay? हमारा बॉडी इतने सारे बोन्स से बना है, पर हमारा बॉडी कभी ऐसा बिखरता नहीं है कि इतने सारे बोन्स है तो कोई इधर गिर गए, कोई उधर गिर गए, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. Why? Because you will say simple, all our bones are connected, isn't it? Okay, so you must remember that the place where two or more bones are connected, जहां दो या दो से ज्यादा बोन्स जुड़ते हैं. Look at this picture. This bone and this bone, they're getting joined here. They're getting connected here. This bone and this bone, they're getting joined here. This bone and this bone, they are getting connected here. Similarly in the leg, this bone and this bone, they are getting connected here. This bone and this bone, they are getting connected here. So the place where two bones are getting connected is called as joint. The place where two bones get connected is called as joint. So this is one bone, this is another bone. This is called as joint. This is one bone, this is another bone. So this is called as joint. This is one bone, this is another bone. So this is called as joint. Okay? So you understand, students, that there are many bones in my body. So there will be many joints in my body. Okay, so many joints in our body, and therefore we now study about joints. Okay, you notice, students, there are some joints in our body which move a lot, like the shoulder joint. ऐसा, 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 इधर, उधर, इधर, इधर, सब movements होता है. Okay, but you look at this joint, इतना, इतना, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता है. थोड़ा इतना होता है, थोड़ा इतना होता है. शोल्डर जॉइंट जितना मूव होता है नहीं होता है. लुक एट योर नी जॉइंट. ओके, ऑल यू कैन डू इज वॉक विथ इट. ओके, नी जॉइंट, डज इट गो दिस वे, डज इट गो दिस वे? इफ दैट वुड हैपन, यू वुड बिकम अ वेरी गुड फुटबॉलर, but that does not happen. So what am I trying to tell you? That there are many joints in our body, but do all joints move in the same way? शोल्डर जॉइंट ज्यादा मूव होता है, एल्बो जॉइंट कम मूव होता है, नी जॉइंट उससे भी कम मूव होता है, हमारे यहाँ पे हिप जॉइंट है वो काफी ज्यादा मूव होता है. So point number one, there are many joints And point number 2 is that different joints move differently. Okay? Joints move differently. Based on this, we now study about the types of joints. You understand? Based on their movement. कौन सा joint कितना move होता है, इसके basis पे हम joint के types पढ़ेंगे. And understand, my dear students, that there are 3 types of joints in the human body. The first one is a hinge joint. Okay, the hinge joint is this. Okay, have you seen in your house where there is a door, have you seen the structure? इसकी वजह से वो दरवाज़ा खुलता है और बंद होता है. Okay, इसे मिजागरा कहते हैं हिंदी में. And in English, this is called as hinge. Because of this hinge, the door of your house closes and opens, similar to the elbow joint. Okay, this is the elbow joint. Okay, like the door of the house, it moves, and therefore it is called as a hinge joint. Hinge joint, example, at the elbow. The second one, this is the shoulder joint. Okay, why is it moving so much? Why is it moving more than the other joints? Because it's like a ball. This is like a ball and this is like a socket. Socket माने खड्डा. Okay, so it is made up of a ball and a socket. देखो joint है मतलब 2 bones का connection है. One bone is a ball and the other bone is a socket. Socket माने खड्डा. And therefore, the second type of joint that we study is called as the ball and socket joint. And the example of the ball and socket joint is our shoulder. shoulder, shoulder. Okay, joint. And the third type of joint, the gliding joints. Glide माने क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? एक के ऊपर दूसरा घिसता है, उसे हम ग्लाइडिंग कहते हैं. ओके, यू नो, आप वो जो लसरकुंडी होता है, ओके, जिसे आप कहते हैं द स्लाइड्स, ओके, ऑन विच वी रोल डाउन इन दोज एंटरटेनमेंट पार्क्स. ओके, वहां पे हम क्या हो रहा है, स्लाइड हो रहा है ना, हम नीचे से गिर रहे हैं. ओके, you know, from the mountains, when the snow falls down, okay, in the northern India, okay, in the winters, okay, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, gliders कहते हैं. तो glide माने, gliding joint माने 2 bones. So gliding joint is where one bone slides on the other. जो 2 बोन में से एक बोन दूसरे बोन के ऊपर ऐसे घिसता है, इसे इंग्लिश में हम कहते हैं slide or glide. Okay, and there you see our ankle bones. Okay, the bones on our leg, these bones are gliding joints. The movement is very less in them. Okay, आप लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा कि हमारे ये बोन्स मूव हो सकते हैं, हमारे ये बोन्स मूव होते हैं, बट बहुत कम मूव होते हैं, इतने से, just this much. Okay, so the third type of joint are the gliding joints, and the example of gliding joints is the ankle joint. Ankle माने this part of our body, okay, just where we wear our shoes. Ankle joint कैसे pronounce करेंगे students? Ankle, okay, uncle नहीं है, ankle. So that is the ankle joint. With that, students, we are done with the study of joints. Now